What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am so sorry that this is going up late. If you're watching this right now, then the chances are that my restock is probably already live. If not, then it is just like minutes from going live. I just wanted to get that out of the way. I am apologizing right now because we were a little bit behind this week. However, somehow this ended up being like our biggest restock ever. So crazy. I honestly don't even know. Most of these clips were filmed in like 5 o'clock in the morning today, so, you know, excuse me if it's a little bit cringy. Anyways, we are starting off with Chanel number 2, which is the queen of unicorn slime shop. She's my bestseller. She's a very thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. Really, really good for poking. Really good for one-handed play. If you have hot hands, then this one won't melt on you really fast. It's just really, really good, and it sells out pretty fast too, so you might want to get to the store really early if you want to snatch. This next one here is a cloud slime called Unicorn Summer. It just reminds me of summertime. It's scented like strawberry soda, and it just has that kind of connection to summer that I like. I don't know. I just really like strawberries in the summer. I guess it's because that's when they're in season. Anyways, this one is a really nice cloud slime. The color is super, super vibrant, very drizzly, and I just love it. Again, I'm sorry if it's cringy because I filmed this at 5 o'clock in the morning. I can barely drizzle cloud slime like when I'm wide awake, so can you just imagine how awful this was for me trying to drizzle? But I think it came out alright. It's just a little cringy, but whatever. Next up, we have Melted Rocky Road ice cream to add to our melted ice cream collection that we have going on here. So this one here is really nice. If you know what Rocky Road is, then you know it's a chocolate ice cream with marshmallows and like pecans. Sometimes they have almonds, peanuts, things like that. It smells so, so good. Exactly like that. It is amazing. I even have some marshmallow beads in here, and I made some almond slivers out of clay that I threw in there as well. So it looks super realistic. I love this one so, so much. The scent alone is mouth-watering. Making a return in the shop is Fave Reds, and this one was inspired by the Starburst pack that only has like the red colors, if you know what that is. So it's just like the fruit punch, strawberry, watermelon, and cherry. So this is exactly what it scented like, all of those together. It smells like heaven. You all really loved it last restock, so I decided to bring it back. It's a crunchy foam texture, and it's really nice. Baja Blast has become one of the best sellers of the Unicorn Slime Shop. This one is like a must. I will tell you now, if you've been wanting to snatch this one, this week is the week to do it because I actually ran out of the scent that I used and I'm not going to be able to get it until not this restock but next restock after. So if you're wanting to get some Baja Blast, you should definitely do that. If you don't know what Baja Blast is, it is a cloud slime that is scented like Mountain Dew Blue Raspberry, just like the regular Baja Blast soda, and it's so good. Another slime that's making a comeback from last week's restock is Sour Patch Cloud. I really, really love this one. It's scented like Sour Patch Kids, and you get a completely random color. You could either get the color yellow, blue, or green. I just really love this cloud slime. Super drizzly. You all seem to love it as well because it went really fast last week. So if you want to snatch, you should get there early. Just saying. Blue Raspberry Pop is a blue raspberry scented clear slime. I really love this texture because it's just a regular clear slime with a little bit of scent in it. So it is a little bit cloudy just because there is scent. However, for the most part, it's actually pretty clear and it looks like a lollipop to me. It's just so nice and I just really like it. You all will like it, I'm pretty sure. So make sure you snatch it. We have another new cloud slime in the shop this week. This one is called Over the Hedge, and it is scented like pineapple and green apple candy. It's really nice. It comes with this hedgehog charm here. The name was actually inspired by a movie. If you've ever seen Over the Hedge, it's about like a whole bunch of like rodents, I guess you would call them, and they just basically like run amok everywhere. It's just really fun. I loved the movie, and as soon as I saw the charms, I knew that I had to do a slime called Over the Hedge. So that is this one, and I love it so much. It's just so cute. Y'all need to make way because the princess is back. You heard? Princess Lolly took a little break, but she is back. I love her so much. She's so crunchy and beautiful and smells amazing. This here is a foam that I had in the shop a long time ago. I have not brought it back in a while, so I'm glad I got to this time. If you don't know what Princess Lolly is, she's actually a character in Candyland, and so that is what I was inspired by the first time that I made this slime. It is scented like mixed candy, like Jolly Ranchers and Airheads and things like that, and also some fruit in there as well, and it will come with a random candy charm, and I just really like it. It's good. Chocolate milk is a new slime to the shop. This one is a classic like cereal milk type of texture, so it's very thick and glossy. However, this is brown and it is scented like Cocoa Puffs. It smells really good. I really like it, and it's super glossy. It's just amazing. If you're the one who likes thick and glossy slime, you should snatch Chanel, but also this one too. I promise you're not staring at a blank screen right now. There is slime here. I just like to use like the hugest container I can find with my clear slimes just because it clears faster that way, and I think it looks a lot nicer. So this one here is H2O. I'm pretty sure you all know that now. This is the second time that I'm bringing it to the shop. It's just a very basic clear slime. It's very thick and nice, and this week it's going to come with one random charm. It's just going to be completely random, so you can just add it into your clear slime to make it a little bit cuter. After a long hiatus, Captain Crunch is back as well. I haven't restocked this in a while. I did do like a stuffed Captain Crunch, but this one is just like a regular Captain Crunch. So it's just a regular foam, very crunchy with a thick and glossy base, scented just like the classic cereal, and it looks just like it as well. And it has me a little bit shook, just saying. Sunshine Jelly is another slime that I am bringing back from a previous restock. This was actually like back from March, I think. Is that when St. Patrick's Day is? I'm pretty sure. Anyways, Sunshine Jelly is just like the name suggests, a jelly slime. The top of it was a little bit bubbly, but the bottom is super, super clear. And by the time it gets to you, it will be very, very clear and nice. It's just really good. This is scented like orange soda because I can't find an orange juice scent. If you can, then let a brother know. Just saying. It's really nice. It's a very classic jelly slime texture, so it's very like spreadable. It's like a spreadable clear slime, I guess you could say. Very squishy, and I love that. And there's a bunch of iridescent glitters in there as well as orange and green glitters. It's just amazing. And you know your boy can't do a restock without detox water, so here she is in all her glory. I love her so much. Very thick, very, very clear, and I just love it. It comes with a random fruit charm. If you didn't know that, then now you know. It's just really good. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed the restocking video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your boy. And comment down below which is your favorite slime or what you would like to see back in the shop. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much. And I will see you all next time. Bye!